It was late on that Sunday evening, and the disciples were gathered together with the doors locked securely, because they were afraid of the Jewish authorities. Suddenly Jesus came and stood among them and said, "Peace be with you." They were terrified and thought that they were seeing a ghost. But Jesus asked them, "Why are you worried? Does a ghost have flesh and bones?" And he showed them his hands and his side. The disciples were overjoyed to see him, and again Jesus said to them, "Peace be with you." One of the 12 disciples, called Thomas, was not with them when Jesus appeared to them. So the other disciples told him, "We have seen the Lord. Jesus is alive." But Thomas said to them, "Unless I see the scars from the nails in his hands, and put my finger on those scars, and my hand in his side, I will not believe." A week later, Thomas and the disciples were together, and the doors were locked shut. And again Jesus came and stood among them and said, "Peace be with you." Then Jesus said to Thomas, "Put your finger here, Thomas, and look at my hands. Then reach out your hand and put it in my side. Stop your doubting and believe." Thomas fell to his knees and said, "My Lord and my God." Then Jesus said to him, "Because you have seen me, you have believed. But blessed are those who have not seen and yet believe."